So for this one, I used my BJ's coupon because I didn't feel like looking for my tracing paper. So after I cut that shape out, I used jean and another material. It's a stretchy material. I was going to just do jean and I'm like, you know what? Let's go for a reversible mask so you could wear it on either side. So what I did was trace out the jean as well as do the same thing for the other fabric. So when I cut that out, I had to sew down the middle part, which would be the part that's sitting on your nose. I sewed them down separately. And now I'm going to stitch. I'm not going to stitch completely around. I'm going to stitch the top part and I'm going to stitch the bottom part with leaving the sides open. Why am I leaving the sides open? I'm doing that because I want to be able to pull the fabric through from the inside. So that way, when you turn it out on the other side, it'll look like more fine-tuned. You'll see in a second. So that's what I'm doing. And I also used the same method as I did for the yellow mask, where I just kind of weaved in and out with big gaps and I went back to refine it. So for the sides that we didn't get to yet, I am putting my elastic inside of the part that we didn't sew, and I'm going to push down the extra fabric inside so it can have that same seamless finish as the other sides. So I'm doing that to both sides. I'm using a different type of elastic because I couldn't find the elastic that I was using for the rest of them. So I'm going to use this one. So that's all I'm doing. And I decided to glue gun instead of sewing because I got lazy. And that's what I did. Boom, we are done. We have our 2-print reversible mask. So you can dress it up with these pins that I decided to put on it as well. And I'm hoping that you guys can make this mask for whenever you decide that you want to look cute and not let this quarantine stop you from looking fly outside. I'll see you in the next one. Later.